Hi guys, so week 3 is adventure game, and these are the instructions. Take your time and go through the instructions. Because we have a lot of things to type today, I'd already opened a new file from our last folder. Remember our class project folder? And so I've added the adventure game.py as usual, just the same way we added clever stories.py and new price calculator.py. Add adventure game.py. And also, to make things easier, I have typed the games already, so we can make it faster, but they are all on screen because I had to put it in comments. So I had to comment everything out so we can follow it one after the other. Now, just take your time and go through the instructions, okay? So the purpose of this adventure game is for you to know how to use your if your loopings, we have if, you have while, and other ones. So for you to know how to use if and loop, and then also to also know how to use nested if and all that, if functions, sorry. So let me just make it bigger so we can say it. So we can start by saying print hello, welcome to Adventure Games, and then let me comment this out first, okay? So now the first one, input, you are at a crossroad. Would you like to go left, right, or forward? If answer is upper dot equal to double equal to left, always remember to put it in a string, okay? If answer is equal to dot, this dot upper is just to format it. Even though the user puts capital left, it will still work. Even if the user puts small letter, if the user writes the left with small letters, it will still work. So that's the need of putting this upper. So inside this first if of if function, so if is left, then this is what the answer should be. You encounter a monster. Would you like to run or attack? Then another if. There's something you should know. Once you use if function, make sure once you start with if, make sure you end it with colon, okay? And then VS Code has made it possible for you to know that once you use this colon, it will indent it automatically, okay? You will start from another indentation. So instead of every time clicking your tab key and all that, it has been set for you. Okay. So once you do that, it will take you to the next line, an indented line, and then you write whatever it is that you want to write. Then the second one, still under this if answer is attack, since we're still talking about this one, so it's still under this. If answer is attack, don't forget to use your double equality sign. Okay. If answer is equal to attack, then you should answer the monster is armed. Do you need a knife or gun? If answer is equal to knife, print that was the best idea. That was not the best idea. Sorry, you lost. Then if it is gone, print aha, brilliant idea. You have killed the monster. You won. Otherwise, which is else, print please exit. This elif is instead of repeating if, you can use elif. It's more like the same thing. Okay. If elif, then else. They are going hand in hand. Okay. So if, since you've used if, you can have an if function inside another if function. You're looping through it, okay? So if you just want to change it in a way of as a way of ending it, you can now do elif then else, okay? So what it just means, this might not mean anything to you, but once you start playing the game in our terminal, that's when you will enjoy it, okay? You can use any other story. This is my own story. You can use any other story. You can use maybe you're in a house, you're in a haunted house, and stuff like that. Just make it make sense for you. Mine might not make sense to you, but that is they just want to see how you use your if, elif, and else statements, okay? So that's for the first one. Now, okay, maybe we should go over, maybe we should, don't forget to save your work, okay? Control S to save my work. Let me run this one first before we go over to the other one, which is run, attack, and all that, okay? Let's go to our terminal. Remember, Python, adventure, game, let's pay right. Hello, welcome to Adventure Games. You can even manipulate and say, hello, welcome to Adventure Games with, you mention your name, okay? You're at a crossroad. Would you like to go left, right, or forward? Since what we are doing is left, let's just say left. You see, I typed with small letter, even though it's capital letter that is okay. But then in our script, we have capital letter. But because of this dot upper, it will say accept it. Now it's telling me you encounter a monster. Would you like to run or attack? Okay, let me do attack. The monster is armed. Do you need a knife or gone. Let me do knife. Let me use capital letter so you can see even with capital or small letter, it will still work. See, that was not the best idea. Sorry, you lost. So if I want to start again, you can use your up arrow key to start all over again. Then hello, welcome to the adventure game. If I want to use the gun, just like that. Okay, so let's just go to the next one. I'm just showing you how it works. Let's go to the next one. Let me comment it out. The keyword combination for commenting out is Control K. Then if you want to comment, Control K C. Okay. So where did we stop? Yep. So under the first one, which is the one other thing you should know about if functions, you should be careful of your indentations. If you don't indent very well, you will end up getting it all wrong. Okay. So under this if answer, if we have run and attack, so we are done with this run, and I want to do for sorry, we are done with attack, and I want to do for run. So I'll have to nest it under that if. Under that if, watch my line. If answer is upper equal to run, which is the second option here, right? If that's run, you can say, why choose run? Are you not brave enough? Do you wish to continue or abort mission? I'm still talking about this continue, so it has to be under this. If answer dot upper equal to continue, then you put your whatever it is I want to put. If answer is equal to arrow, we're still on the arrow, so it has to be inside here. Elif, dagger, just like that, just like the first one. You can go over it like that, and then else print your option is invalid. Okay, and then Elif abort. Just look at where this Elif is coming under. It's still under this continue option because I'm still talking about continue or abort. Okay, so because it's abort, it has to be under this if statement. Okay, my Elif is under it because I'm still talking about continue and abort. It might sound confusing for you, but once you continue doing it, you'll get it all right. Then this is for the other one, which is so VS Code has made it so easy for us to manipulate, okay? Since we're still talking about continue and abort, so the elif of abort should come under this if function, this if statement of continue, okay? Then else print, no other options left, please exist. Otherwise, which is else, print invalid option, please exist. So my second elif, my second elif answer, which is for right, look at where the indentation, the important thing is noting your indentation. It's coming from that first one because it is right under left, right, and forward, okay? So for right, it has to come under this. Just trace the line with me. Let's go. Trace the line, trace the line, trace the line. And here it is. Elif, if it is right, okay? So you can say there is a godlike creature. Do you wish to fight or flee? Okay. Now we have a new if statement. If answer is fight, print da 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 da. Then elif, if it is flee, print da 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 da. Then if answer is okay, if it is flee, you do want to play or exit. So it's still under this if statement. Okay. So we say if it is play, print whatever it is you want to print. Then if it is exit, you can, if it is exit, please, sorry, you're a coward, try again next time. Then else print, try again later, thank you. Else enter a valid option. Just be careful of your indentation, okay? And then elif, for the last one, which is forward. From the first place we started, we have left, right, or forward. Just know that you can add as many as possible you want. But I think the requirement, we are supposed to have like 3 scenarios, okay? Starting with 3 scenarios. Then from the 3 scenarios, we can add as much as you can. You can expand it, you can make it short. They just want you to play around with your if statement, okay? If, elif, else. So now, the last one is forward. Elif, forward, okay? So if it is forward, you can add more options like the option is boring. Do you wish to proceed or quit? Then you can say if answer is proceed, print, da 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 da, then elif, quit. You know, something else you need to know is, they want you to add more stuff. So maybe when you get to this quit, I can't give you everything because of BYU honor code. I keep saying this in all my videos because I'm still a student and I wouldn't want to make something that will jeopardize my studying in BYU. That's been a blessing. Okay. So now, if instead of just saying quit, you can play around with it and prompt the user to, okay, when the user chooses quit, the person, you'll be like, oh, it's a tricky button. You've been tricked. Do you want to proceed or continue? Something like that. Do you want to proceed or do you want to just do it your own way so that you can get your full marks, okay? But me, I have to cut it short, so I don't have to give everything. So Elif, you got to Pete, then okay, have a lovely day. And then L sprint, please leave the game now. Or the last L sprint, this is too bad, game over. So in essence, it's saying if the person says left, they will have something to play around with. Right, they will have something to play around with. Forwards, still have something to play around with. But if the person enters anything aside left, right, or forward, this is what you will have. That is too bad. Game over. Let's experiment this one. Let's go back to our terminal. I'm going to make it bigger so you can see more of it. Okay, can drag it to your arrow. So okay, we still have it here. Hello, welcome to our adventure games. You're at a crossroad. Would you like to go left, right, or forward? If I type anything, let's say, okay, let me just type up. There's no option for up. Sorry, I've not saved my work. I've saved it. Now let's go. Python. Hello, welcome to Adventure Games. You're at a crossroad. Would you like to go left, right, or forward? When I type up, it will tell me this is too bad. Game over. Okay. So let's do for other ones and see. I may not run all of them because there are so many. So I'll just pick a few of it. I'm just showing you how it works. Okay. Adventure game. Okay. Let's run it again. Hello, welcome to Adventure Games. You're at a crossroad. Would you like to go? We've done for left. Let's do right. Right. There's a godlike creature. Do you wish to fight or flee? Let me do fight. You can do others yourself, okay? You are so brave. You've killed it. You've killed the girl with a knife, okay? Let me drag this out. It's obstructing. So that's it. You can play all of them. I want to play everything because of time. Let's do forward. This option is boring. Do you wish to proceed or okay? Let's say proceed. It is a lonely path. You are alone in this journey. Mission failed. Try other options. So you can add as many as you want. You can also play around it. The important thing is just making sure you indent very well, okay? And don't forget to add your comments. And when you did the tricky stuff, you can add the comment up there, okay? Good luck coding, guys. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, okay? You can also comment and tell me how to improve on other videos, okay? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.